Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix MOV file not playing on VLC under Windows 11. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, what you have to do, you just need to open your VLC and you just need to click on tools over here and click on preferences, and under that you just need to go to input and codecs option, and here you will get reset preferences. So click on that. Now click on OK. Now try to play your video MOV file and check if your problem is solved or not. If it is not, then simply go to tool once again, go to then preferences, then input codecs, and here you just need to check this option which is damage or incomplete ABI file. So you just need to select here always fix. Now click on save. Now what you have to do, you just need to change your extension. For that you just need to change MOV to AVI. So if in your case extension is not showing, simply click on view, then click on show. Then here you will get an option called file name extension. So simply check that option, and after that it will show your extension. Now you just need to simply press F2 or click on right click and click on rename. After that change it to AVI and click on yes. Now try to play your video on under VLC and check if your problem is solved or not. If it is not, then simply what you have to do, you just need to just change the extension once again, and after that open your VLC media player, click on media, then here you will get convert and save. Now simply click on add button. Over here you just need to select that video. Now click on here you just need to click on convert. Now here you just need to select the destination file where you want to save. Click on browse, put any name and click on save. Now click on start, and after that it will take some time to convert your file, and after that you can easily play that MOV file on your VLC. So I hope this tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any questions or question then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.